You are using Facebook every day, but do you know how you can use this platform to earn money? I am going to tell all about this right now, so stick around to the end. Facebook has given an opportunity to both creators and publishers globally to make money from their Facebook page. The first thing that you need to have to make money from Facebook platform is to create a Facebook page. To do so, you need to sign in to facebook.com. On the very top blue ribbon, you will see a word create. If you click that, it will give you a drop down. The first thing you will see page. So if you click that, it will take you to the next window where it says create a page. Once the page is created, then you can invite your friends to join that page. You can upload videos, pictures, and posts. If publishers and creators want to earn from their Facebook page, so they have to obey a set of rules and terms which are known as monetization eligibility standards. If any content of publishers or creators would violate Facebook's community standards, then you will get a notification. Those types of content can cause publishers or creators to become ineligible and to lose their eligibility to monetize their Facebook page. The publishers or creators always do post a kind of content that must be authentic. So it means the content should not provide any wrong information to theirs and do not spread false news. In order of posting false news or something like that may cause you to lose eligibility to monetize Facebook page. The content must have to be actual content that is going to be shared with the Facebook community. For false news or artificial distributed content will not be eligible for monetization. The distributed content must follow Facebook's sharing policy. Publishers or creators should not engage in a behavior which boosts artificial views. So it means that artificial engagement or views will not let to monetize your Facebook page. Publishers or creators may lose their monetization with fake engagements. The Facebook lets you make money by different ways, and each way has its own eligibility requirements. The first method you can use to make money from Facebook platform is to host a paid online event. Once your page has been set up for paid online event, follow these steps to create your paid online event on your computer. Create an event from your page. Select a platform to host your paid online event. Choose the location and time of your paid online event. Fill in your event name, description, and photos. Choose your event category and price. When you host a paid online event with Facebook Live, people can interact with your broadcast via comments and reactions. Participants can watch paid online events on Facebook Live in the Facebook app and on the Facebook desktop site, or they can watch it after the live stream ends. People can also purchase access to the video after the event has ended. Invite your friends, family, page followers, and existing customers and encourage them to share the event with their friends. To do this, tap Share on your event page and select the people you want to invite. Include useful information about the event like the purpose, why people should attend. Your event description is a great place to tell your attendees if they need to have any particular skills or bring any tools, what topic you will cover, and you will also use the event description to share your stories and what makes your event unique. Share your event on other platforms you use for marketing, such as your website, email, and other social media to inform everyone who might want to attend. To do this, tap Share on your event page, then tap Copy Link. The second method that you can use to monetize your Facebook page is to earn money from in-stream ads in your videos. In-stream ads help eligible video creators earn money by including short video or image ads in qualifying videos. Creators get a share of the revenue from the video ads shown to their viewers. Viewers have to view the entire ad to continue watching a video. You are eligible for in-stream ads if you are 18 years or older and you publish 3 minutes long videos from your Facebook page, not a profile. You have 10,000 page followers. You need to have at least 30,000 1-minute views on videos that are at least 3 minutes long. In-stream ads give creators sustainable revenue model. You can include ads in new or existing Facebook videos to make money. Facebook can automatically detect natural spots for in-stream ads, or you can do it by manual placement to insert them at an exact point in your videos. You can also use Facebook platform to earn money by paid subscriptions. It is really important to create value for your supporters so they will be happy to continue contributing to you financially. In addition to rewards, engagement is the best way to maintain and serve your supporter base. You can offer exclusive benefits and grow the community of people who subscribe to support you. To be eligible for fan subscriptions, you need to have 10,000 followers, 50,000 post engagements in the last 60 days, 180,000 minutes viewed across all of your videos in the last 60 days. After you have activated fan subscriptions for your page, you can start posting supporter-only content. Your post will include a unique badge symbol identifying it as a supporter-only post and will only be visible to your supporters. From your page, you can also create a supporter-only live videos. You can ask your supporters to spread the word about your subscription by sharing what they enjoy about it. Monitor your data on the regular basis to see what content is resonating with your fan base. Set clear goals and rewards that can help your fans to feel more involved with your page. Create personalized posts to welcome and thank you new supporters. Respond to your supporter comments. Create polls. Go live. Live streaming can help get fans engaged and excited about your subscription. The fourth method you can use to make money from Facebook platform is Brand Collabs Manager. That is paid partnership with brands that want to collaborate on creating and sharing content with your audience. To be eligible for this method, you need to have at least 1,000 followers and 15,000 post engagement or 30,000 1-minute views for 3-minute videos in the last 60 days. If you want to post branded content on your Facebook page, you must be the owner or an admin of the page. Facebook accounts must request access to the branded content tool. In order to use Brand Collapse Manager, you need to fulfill eligibility requirements for Brand Collapse Manager. You need to apply for access to monetize on Facebook with your page. Once you are granted access to Brand Collapse Manager, you need to complete your creator portfolio. To be able to match and connect with a business in Brand Collapse Manager, you have to first create a portfolio. Brands look to see how closely you and your audience match their audience based on criteria such as interest, gender, age, range, and more. So it's important that your portfolio is an accurate representation of you. I will give you a link in the description of this video to use this method more in detail. The fifth method you can use to monetize your Facebook page is to sell sponsored posts. If you have a nice sized following, small businesses will pay you to promote their products or services. Bloggers may even pay you to share their post. Just make sure that any post you share offers some value to your audience. Also, be careful about the ratio of sponsored posts that you share. Your audience may not be able to identify every sponsored post, but they will know if the majority of your content is paid for, and then they will question about your authenticity. Like sponsored posts, you can share affiliate links. You choose the product you want to promote, and if your audience buys through the link you share, you get a small percentage of the sale. Affiliate marketing is a great way to build a passive income because you can pay it again and again without having to do more work. Again, pick quality products that actually serve a need for your audience, and don't overload your page with affiliate links. Savvy followers will identify these links immediately and may stop following you if you share too many affiliate links. Like sharing sponsored posts, you can write reviews. For businesses, you can charge companies for the review. In addition to the payment for the review, you can also get the product or service for free, as well as some discount codes for your customers. That was all about how to monetize your Facebook page. The publishers or creators have to be careful about every monetization eligibility standard, so they must not upload any kind of content by which they may lose their Facebook eligibility. To be eligible for monetization of the Facebook page, all the content should be authentic. Friends, I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for all upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you next time.